my lovely subscribers and my lovely viewers, welcome back, guys. And this afternoon, me and my niece is here. I'm gonna make spaghetti with meatballs for her supper, for both of us supper. So, guys, I have some spaghetti here, and I have some sauce and Parmesan cheese, and I went and buy a bag of meatballs. So, guys, I'm gonna add my spaghetti to my pot because the water is boiling already. So I had put it on before so that I could just start right away after I start the video. So, guys, we're gonna, and guys, these macaroni is the one like we used to get back home with a little hole inside. I don't think you can see the little hole inside, but when it cook, I'll show it to you guys. This one is that one, so I'm gonna just cut them in two and put in the pot. You know, you have to take care of it. You have kids, give them what they want. You can eat them kids what they want, yeah? So now I'm making the spaghetti and meatballs. I know she will be happy with that tonight for supper. Everything inside. Anybody pass by, they can get some. So now I'm gonna stir it up a little bit so they don't stick. And I will give them like 8 minutes cooking because I'm gonna put it in the sauce after. So I'm gonna give it 8 minutes, and now it's 18 after, so I'm gonna the next 8 minutes time. So stay tuned, guys, and in 8 minutes time I'll be right back. Guys, so my 8 minutes is finished, so I'm gonna throw it out and start making my sauce. So okay, guys, I'm gonna heat my pan. I'm gonna start making my sauce for my meatballs, and then I'm gonna add my spaghetti to it, guys. And this is not gonna take you half an hour. It take you less than half an hour to do, guys. Making a fast meal, fast meal. So I'm gonna get my pan heated, and I'm gonna put some onions inside and garlic. So stay tuned, guys. Okay, guys, I'm gonna add my little olive oil, and I had prepare my onions and a little bit of garlic, just to put some seasoning in the meatballs. So I'm gonna add it, and I'm gonna fry it up a little bit before adding my meatballs and my sauce. Just put the garlic and the infuse in the oil first, okay? This will take you less than half an hour. You come home and you want to make a quick meal, this is the perfect one for it. You feel tired, you don't want to do any stand up too long, this is the perfect one. I'm gonna do it next time I make meatballs. I'm gonna make it from scratch. I'm gonna do everything from scratch in the next one I'm gonna make. But today we want to make something fast, so that's why we're doing it like this. So okay, guys, as you can see, my onions are almost finished frying. They're very soft now, not crispy anymore. So I'm gonna add my meatballs, and then I'm gonna add my sauce. I'm gonna fry up the meatballs for maybe 2 minutes in the oil, and then I add my sauce. So, guys, I'm gonna throw some meatballs inside. Okay, that's enough. up a little bit in the oil. They take up all the little thing in the pot. These ones were pre-cooked already, guys. But these ones don't take too long to cook in the sauce. These were pre-cooked already. Just want them to get in all of the oil and stuff in it. Okay guys, so now I'm going to add my sauce, my meatballs. And now I'm going to add my macaroni. Okay guys, I'm going to add the macaroni. And then stir it up. And then I put the rest. And after, I'm going to add my Parmesan cheese and some parsley. I put some parsley, so I'm going to add it to it also. Some macaroni, everything I'm putting in the pot. Everything going in the pot. Wow. Yeah, my niece's going to have a lovely supper tonight. I'm going to share a plate, guys, and let you see the finished product of my macaroni and meatballs. Okay guys, so stay tuned guys while I make a plate and let you see the finished product. How do it look, my niece? It's okay? Yeah? You think you could eat everything here?
No.
Okay. Okay guys. So okay guys, I'm gonna share a plate for my niece just to show you what it looked like. See what amount of macaroni she's gonna eat tonight, and meatballs. Clean it up. Let me clean it up for you, my niece. Don't worry. I'll fix your plate very nicely for you. And we're gonna put some Parmesan cheese, 100% Parmesan cheese over it. This is my niece supper tonight. Add some parsley. I have some dry parsley over there.